Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to create photo or video collages in CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? With the collage feature in CapCut, you can combine multiple photos or videos into one stylish layout in just a few simple steps. Let me show you how to use it. First, open CapCut on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap Edit. Next, go to Photo Tools. Then tap Collage. Now choose the photos or videos you want to include in your collage. After selecting your media, tap Next. CapCut will now open the collage editor. Here you can choose different collage layouts and styles. Browse through the available layouts and select the one you like. Once you choose a layout, tap the check mark button. Now preview your collage. If something does not look right, you can still edit and adjust the layout, media position, or arrangement. Once you are happy with the result, tap Export to save the collage to your device. And that's how to create photo collages in CapCut on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.